Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience. And we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.